Welcome to my recap with live trades. Hope you enjoyed the content. Today is going to be a short video. I am busy doing stuff with building my website, and honestly, today's trades were very uneventful, and there's nothing really to show. Um, I am down 1.25% on the day. Nothing too bad, but just had a lot of. It was just kind of a bummer of a day because I had a lot of FOMO in Tesla. Seeing it rip faces off. I had it on my watch, list, of course, but I just paid attention to the wrong stocks. I was in Nvidia, small position, just trying to see if the price action would pay off. But anyways, as you can see down here in my trades window, I have a. I started doing what I did when I first started trading, and I had a really high success rate, and that's buying shares and swinging/investing. So these are some of the names that my opinion, are at favorable demand zone areas. Baba, I got one share at 158.72. This is very small. I'm scaling in. Plus I don't want to use up too much of my account. So I can be able to scalp when really good setups come, because that's what I'm trying to develop into my bread and butter. But I bought 5 shares of Discovery, 1 share of Boeing, 3 shares of AMC, and 10 shares of BlackBerry. Now, as you know, as you probably know, I already have the BlackBerry swing for 2 contracts, $10 out till September. Still feeling good about that. And then the AMC, I like the daily. Looks like a breakout of a falling wedge, in my opinion. And Boeing, I like it. It bounced off a demand zone I have on the daily. Discovery, really good flow. From a risk reward standpoint, I really like it. But these are all feelers, size in trades. So in case I'm wrong. So far today, I'm right. Right, up about $17 on these trades, which is really small size. So to be up $17 is not bad, in my opinion. Of course, the market rallied really a lot, so it's not like I'm some magician, but it's all about finding good risk reward setups. And the truth is, if I hadn't been trading options, like if I could trade shares, 70% of the time, like I'd like to, 60-70% of the time, I would be profitable, like a lot more than I am at all. I mean, I'm not net profitable now, but I would be profitable because so many times I'll be up in a position $2 to $3 to $5 a share, and I'll be right on the position because I'm holding it so long in the IV crush and the theta burn. So if one contract's 100 shares, so if I have 100 shares of something and it's up $3-4, it's $300 or $400 profit locked in. So my goal here is to do this swing trading/investing strategy that I used to do before I knew anything. So now I have some knowledge, 2 years of experience, and I made $7,000 just investing really small amounts, like kind of like what I'm doing now. And and even in 2020, I had like 100 share swing in purple when it IPO'd. It was like $17, basically about the top. Well, I scaled in as it fell down to March 2020, and I had a 690 average or something, and then ended up selling for like 14. So this is one example, but and ever since then, like I made like 7-8 grand swing trading when I first started. Then I discovered day trading. Ever since then, I've been losing money. Ultimately, I'll have a good month here, a break even month or two, and then like a couple $1,000 month, and at best. So it's really been a struggle for me day trading, and my account's getting smaller, so it's definitely not getting easier. So a way that I can generate money to trade, hopefully, is by demonstrating that I can be really consistent with swing trades. So even like Boeing, let's say I scale in 5 shares ultimately, or 4 shares, and I sell for $10 a share. So I make $40 there. Make $40 on Discovery. Let's say I make 30 to $50 each position. Um, but I'm doing 1/10 of the size. So just I can do 1 share of Baba or 5 shares of Disco, but I can do 10 times that much. No problem if I just had a little bit more money. Like, it doesn't bother me to hold shares. So my goal is to show consistency. Hi, Stinky. And and then so I can go to approach a family member and or a friend or some sort of investor and say, look, here's what I can do. Here's how consistent I am, and hopefully get funded that way. So, anyways, I'm just gonna kind of go over my trades real quick. I'm not gonna do the live trades today, but basically, so I had these options there, and Nvidia I bought 344, sold it 330, one contract feeler trade. Bought Nvidia 359, sold it 415, so $75. And then bought one at 404, 370. Doing what I used to do, just buying one contract instead of just doing one feeler trade. I'm doing one, one, one. It's not good. So basically, just chopping around, doing nothing. Nothing going on today for me. Excuse me. Then the only trade I had more than one contract was snap trade here, I believe. I had 3 PFEs, but I lost money on that. And then the snap trade, I 170 or 6 one 182, and I got a 174. So nothing going on today for me. As I watch Tesla rip faces off, and hi Stinky, you're on camera. Hi. So I watched, Tesla rip faces off, and certain other names, and I was sitting there stuck in video small size, not doing much. Going for the shiny, bright, shiny object, and totally missing out on Tesla, Amazon, and other names. But at least I got a little bit of these swing positions going, and I'm looking to build into them. And they're really good risk reward standpoints. Like, let me just show you monitor here real quick. So, Baba. I don't know why it's not showing. So I got in about right here on Baba on the daily, and then Boeing I got in right here. AMC got in right here. These are all pre-market trades I got in. About right there. And BB got in about right here. And this guy got in out right. So I like the daily here. It's very extended. It's about down about 65%. And all these trades are extended to the downside, but they're at demand zone areas for the most part, except AMC's. It's not a bad entry here off the lows on this candle, and then I'm risking off the lows here. Let's say AMC squeezes. I like the pattern. Let's say AMC squeezes. I'll make I'll add into the position as we break this pivot. I would add. If we make a higher low, I'd add. Building into this position. Certain trades. Baba, I have. I'd like a target like tomorrow. I'd like a week open, and then a red or green move, and I would add another share. or a couple shares actually, maybe. And then I might add a 180 call out till October. And yeah, I like it up to the 190 level, to be honest with you. I feel like it's due for a good bounce. Maybe 200, but I say 190 safe. It's definitely going to go to 170s, 170s for sure. In the near future. I mean, I'm 90% sure on that. And yeah, Boeing, I really do like. Uh, Boeing daily here. So Boeing, if I draw a line from here to here, we're at support, and we got a higher low, so I'm risking off this 204.75 level, one share. So I would add on dips and risking off this level, and I will add when right now I don't see another entry. If we get a lower high, then I'll add on that. I'll add on weakness, building to this position. So that's it. Not much else to show. I if you look at my P&L here, it's not good today. Well, it's blank now, but yeah, my account's getting small. I had to take money out for taxes. Not looking too good, but I am looking to build into these positions and um you know prove consistency so I can hopefully get funded. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.